You guys fighting over the Hong Kong? Dog fight! Dog fight! Dog fight! Tug of war! Let the doggy tug of war! Over the last 10 years, over $500 billion of private investment has been made to develop broadband throughout the country. This is without any kind of taxpayer money. He's wrong on that point. Dug it in. Put that aside for now. He went on to say, you guys need a rope to tug on. Oh, did I hear it rip? No. That was done without net neutrality. They will tell you that they need net neutrality in order to have this innovation. Of course, they failed to point out. Got it, Sam! Whoa. Yes, it was. She's like... It was in place. That's the whole point. All of this innovation occurred... Behind the scenes at Mox News, this is what we do all day. We record videos and let the dogs play in the rainforest. Smoke weed. Smoke weed. Oh, she got it. Sam, you got it. Rufus, you got the coolest sister in the whole world. You know that? You do. She's pretty darn cool. You know that? You're a lucky boy. And Sammy, your brother's not half bad either. Okay, Sammy. Sammy. Sam. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Rufus is like, bye-bye.